Well, the first thing you're going to need obviously is a surfboard. What I suggest you do is you go down to a local surf shop, ask them what you need, and they'll basically set you up, point you in the right direction. As much as I hate to say it though, I would say longboarding is going to be your best bet to start surfing. The longer, they feel a little bit more stable. It's not going to feel so strange when you get out in the water and start surfing. But if you want to ride a shortboard, that's great too. They call them shortboards for a reason. They're obviously a lot shorter. But that doesn't mean if you're a big guy that you want to go find the smallest board around. You need to make sure you find a board that suits your weight, your height. I think basically if you go talk to the people at the surf shop, they're going to point you in the right direction. You just really want to find something that's going to float you, but you're still going to be able to turn. If you notice on my board here, I have 3 fins. Surfboards have evolved from the single fin back 20 years ago to 2 fins, and now we're at 3 fins. This is the standard basic surfboard these days, and this is the best thing. It's going to feel the most stable under your feet, which is what you really want. You'll notice on shortboards, they're going to be a lot narrower. They're also going to be a lot thinner. That's also going to be why they're going to be so much squirmier in the water. Longboard's going to feel a lot more stable. It's going to feel like you're riding a boat, basically. Shortboard's small stature is going to make it so much more maneuverable than the longboard is. Wetsuits come in a lot of different styles and thicknesses. Basically, just go to your surf shop and find out what you're going to need for your local area.